Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so the title says what we're going to do here, which is show that composition is associative. And note that I have in parentheses that it's not commutative, which I said enough in the intro video, but just another gentle reminder. Alright, now, it is associative means that the following is true, which is if we have three functions, f, g, and h, and we want to compose them, if we group g and h together so that we start here first and then include f later, it would be the same as starting with f and g first and then including h later. And although I've chosen to show the associative property for composition with just three functions, of course we can show that it's true for more than three functions. Said more generally, what the associative property would say is that if you want a composition of a bunch of functions and you write them in order, then the grouping with parentheses does not matter, is basically what it's saying. Yeah? Okay, cool. So how do we prove this? Well, first let's get a title, and then next let's start with this left-hand side, yeah? And show what it has to equal. So we know that we have to start with g and h. So GOH means g of h of x. And now we have to include f, and so deal with that O right there. And so that O means then we have f of g of h of x, and that's the result right here. Now, if we instead start with the right-hand side, we see that we would end up in the same place. And that's because if we do f and g first, then we'd write f of g of x, and now we have to take care of that O, which means we'll have f of g of h of x, which is what this is. It's the same as our earlier composition, yeah? Alright, cool. And there it is, and next will be a bunch of practice problems that are taken from SAT subject tests.